You have tried countless pakoras before: onion pakora, spinach pakora, even paneer pakora, but now it's time to try something different and uniquely delicious: flour pakora. Perfect for your evening tea. These golden pakoras are super easy to make and absolutely delicious. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Take one medium-sized potato. Now grate the potato finely so it mixes easily with the batter. Grated potato helps add both softness and crispiness to the pakoras. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves, and mix everything very well. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Gradually add 1/4 cup of water to the mixture. Mix well everything. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of Suji or semolina to the batter. This ingredient gives an extra crunch to the outer layer of the pakoras. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and gently mix it with the batter. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Now I am taking a small portion of the batter with my hand and gently drop it into the oil. Let the pakoras fry on medium heat so they cook evenly from the inside. Fry until they turn golden and crispy. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Once the pakoras turn golden brown, take them out and place them on a plate with tissue paper to soak the extra oil. Serve them hot and crispy with green chutney or ketchup. These pakoras are perfect to enjoy with a cup of masala tea, especially on a rainy day. Each bite is crispy outside and soft and spicy inside. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my recipe.